So we crashed. We're coming down the road and slipped and spun all the way around, did a 360, went into the ditch, broke the tie rod, and so now we're gonna get it towed. What a great day. It is negative 100 and there's like 700 feet of snow, so hopefully it can tow us. It sucks. You ever been inside the tow truck while it winches you up? This was the first for me. It's kind of like a roller coaster. Got it up. Barely. Thing's so darn big. Goodbye.
Hey guys, so I'm currently in Ohio, sitting in a second gen, so that's really cool. It's nighttime, so I can't really record anything, but just a quick update. I don't know why every Dodge we get has like temperature issues. Oh my god, are they closed? I think this thing needs coolant because it's blowing cold air. I stole the second gen, even though I hate this thing. I wanted to see how it drove. It's an auto, by the way. He thinks he might change that. Okay. I don't know. It feels weird. And I hate this banner. I think that's the stupidest thing ever. Alright, so we are at Logan's shop. We got some stuff going on, but I'm going to review the second gen. I'm really just kind of over Dodges as like a whole. I mean, as you saw earlier, I mean, like, they're just never warm enough. Like, I'm always cold, and I have Raynaud's disease, so like my feet lose circulation when they're cold. So yeah, I mean, like, long road trips. Oh my god. When we go on long road trips and it's snowy out, you know, I have my blanket back there, but I can't put my blanket over my feet because all the snow comes in and the floor is wet and the air doesn't, it either like doesn't blow enough or it's not warm enough, and it's just terrible. The bags are fun though. I haven't really played around with them. I've just helped him with like filming his video and whatnot. Train horns are cool, I guess. I don't know how I feel about this paint though. I don't know, it's kind of odd. There's nothing wrong with the dash until you get like right here too. Which, do you guys even count this as the dash? I kind of just call, well, can you imagine if I hit that and it just like but yeah, that's really the only part that has a problem. we just blew our tire on the highway. That is not good. I can smell it. I smell something. I don't know. Frick. That's our situation. Well, so the reason I don't like this thing is because the back seat is a joke. It's not meant for people. It's barely meant for my dog, so. I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see this, but these also, oh, maybe they don't. Power? No. They turn colors. That's fun. A lot of people were hating on Gabe on his Instagram. They're like, these are the ugliest things ever. Like, go buy different ones then. But yeah. They also were mad about his wheels. Like, we literally just got the truck, you guys. Like, calm down. Yeah, they're XDs. I don't really like them either. But, I mean, when have we ever got a truck and not changed the wheels? Like, Sometimes people just get on my nerves. All right, so if you saw in the middle or the beginning, bleh. All right, so if you saw the beginning of this video, you saw my truck on a tow truck. So that night, me and Gabe had to drop off some, I think it was a lift for Katie's truck. We had to drop it off here, and we were on our way home, and we were probably going too fast. And we started fishtailing. And this is, I think the same day where everybody got hit with a lot of snow. They could barely keep up with us in the north, so I feel really bad for everybody down in the south right now. But I mean, the roads had like this much snow on them, and we were just going through it. And then I don't really know what happened. We just started fishtailing, and then we got it correct again, but then we did like a whole 360 into a ditch. It was kind of traumatizing. So this is what I'm working with now. The wheels are inward.
They look fine to
That's, oh yeah, for sure. We know for sure my tie rod's broken. I don't know.
We'll see now. It's supposed to look like this.
Yeah.
See, this is good. Yours?
Bad.
Not good. We'll try it again. Good. Not good. Drivable? Disgusting.
So before anybody says anything, Gabe was driving.
Yeah, it wasn't her. It was all my
I already, literally, I posted that Gabe did it, and people are like, this is why women shouldn't drive. And
No,
I'm like,
this is why Gabe
literally,
shouldn't drive.
yeah, literally,
I broke that.
look at this.
I broke that.
The whole reason that truck is on stands is because he broke it. So, I don't think I've ever crashed a vehicle or done anything remotely like that.
Yeah, but I do it like every week, so. Let's go put it in my tire.
What?
I'm just patching my tire here. That's probably not a good idea.
Oh boy. Alright, on top of that, whew, no traction. I got some new wheels. These are called Snow Whites. I think they look good. What do you guys think?
Hello.
Oh my god.
Oh, you the keys there?
This is just really bad. I'm really upset. Gabe's moving the Jack Frost 6.7 for me so I can take the thumbnail. Also, I can show you guys like better, I can't.
Yeah, we'll just, we'll keep the 12 valve here. We'll keep that truck here, and I'll just get this one.
Okay.
You can drive your truck home? You drive your truck. See you later.
Hey! I like the color.
Thank you.
It looks nice.
Mine. You mean my truck's new color. This is literally my truck.
So this is Chris's truck. This is the 5-gen we were joking about having, but I guess Gabe wants it now. But we're gonna film some rollers for it. Oh, I thought it was like diamondy. Color matched.
Well, okay, so on the way there.
Hey Gabe, why are you parked in the handicap spot?
I'm colorblind.
Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Woo woo!